Barangay Ginebra. Red Bull had a taste of a 9-point lead. Sa ngayon, 7 ang abante ng Ginebra. Nasa Red Bull ang bola. 2:28 to go in overtime.
But you know, it has swung very much to the side of Barangay Ginebra after that 5-0 run.
Cyrus Baguio season opening. Binigay pa kay Parada. Panira na yun. Parada recovers at dilabas kay Rich Alvarez. Alvarez to Cyrus Baguio. The corner shot. Wala. And Rayback tops it to Salino Cruz. They've got a fresh 24-second shot clock. Salino Cruz. Labak kay Artadi. Naghaharap na papasa. Nakita si Parada. Last 2 minutes of overtime. Brought to you by Outlast Batteries. Outlast 2 minutes. Outlast maintenance free batteries. Start agad. And unproductive offense there by Red Bull. 1:42 remaining.
You know, defense of Barangay Ginebra really stepping it up here in the overtime.
7-point lead by Barangay Ginebra. Mark Kagiwa has done a lot of damage. That's a double team. Kagiwa recovers it. Alexander trying to beat the shot clock buzzer. Pero grabe.
Oh, nangyari kasi doon sa Barangay Ginebra, ang tagal nila bago mag-set up eh. But still, they have the 7-point lead. Just one more stop maybe, and that could be enough para dito sa Gin Kings.
Big cushion. Let's see what Red Bull can do here. Give it a go. Labas kay Cyrus Baguio. Long jumper is good. T3. Sabi siya, hindi pa po tapos ito. That's a 4-point lead by Barangay Ginebra at 101-97. Overtime period po tayo mga kapatid.
Red Bull's defense now will be tested. Itong Barangay Ginebra hindi pa nagmimintis dito sa overtime. Now it's Red Bull's turn to show that they too can play defense.
66 seconds remaining. Dito po sa overtime period. Lamang ang Ginebra ng 101-97. 4-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. We'd like to remind you this is game 4 of the best of 7 between Ginebra and Red Bull. Lamang po sa serye ang Barangay Ginebra at 3-0. At pinipilit po ng Red Bull na buhayin pa ang kanilang pag-asa dito sa semis. As you look at Mr. Bobby Barrero having fun there with Willie Marshall, our media bureau chief. Siya na wala at well, everybody's having fun dito sa larong ito. Napakaganda po ng labang ito. Sabi nga natin, makailang ulit pa nagpalit ang kalamangan. Gagarahin na raw ba si Parada? Ayaw pa. Pero malalaman natin kung ano nga mangyayari.
Both guys really putting up defensive number. 7 blocks para kay Chris Alexander. Pero hindi rin malayo si Parada. 6.
Taffy Rivas has it. Nalabas kay Hunter Brand against Salino Cruz. Hunter Brand pa rin. Binibigyan na pick ni Alexander. Picked up by Parada. And there's a near steal. Oops, ayaw ta. Ayun! Buzzer sounds, shot clock violation on Barangay Ginebra. Medyo minamalas pa rin ng Red Bull. They could have gotten a pass break play there. Pero hindi nahawakan na mabuti ang bola. Meron pa tayo 52 segundos na lalalabi. Dito sa overtime period, lamang ang Ginebra ng 101-97. Red Bull may hawak ng bola after this timeout.
May dedikasyong tumulong sa api.
Sino mo'y mataas na katungkulan? Ang papanik sa isang dukhang paslit lamang.
Walang kinikilingan.
Nanakawan! Dakpin ninyo si Xiao Guodong ngayon din.
May matinding paninindigan.
Judge po, si Xiao Guodong ay amain ng prinsipe ng kabanalan.
Walang halaga sa akin.
Judge Pao, Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 10 ng gabi sa ABC.
Ang pangalang Baojing ay tunay na makatarungan.
Alright, mga kaibigan, balik po tayo dito sa kapanahon ng kapanaan ng Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings at ng Red Bull Barako sa kanilang 40 sa Best of 7 Semi-Final Round Series sa ating Fiesta Conference. Hinahanap po natin kung sino magiging finalist. Nakikihanap po ang mga 12,000 mga suki ng PBA na narito ngayon. At lahat po ay talagang medyo ninenervyos. Hindi malaman, yung mga taga-Barangay Ginebra gustong-gusto ng tapusin ito. Yung taga-Red Bull naman, gustong makabawi. It is a 3-0 lead by Ginebra in the series.
Ayun, nabagit natin from the top of the coverage. Last time there was a sweep. You have to go back all the way back to 1992 nung naglalaro si Tony Harris.
Sa sweep.
Para sa
Kay
sweep.
Coach Yengel ba yun?
Yeah, I believe yes,
Oh.
sila yung nag-sweep noon.
Narito ngayon si Cyrus Baguio trying to squeeze through. Celino Cruz. Binigay kay Rich Alvarez for the setup job. Wala. Alexander for the rebound. And Alexander has a total of 20 rebounds in the game.
Now, definitely, time is on the side of Barangay Ginebra. They
Yeah.
want to be able to at least put up a shot. Last possession sila, lagi silang tinatamaan ng shot clock violation.
4-point lead by Barangay Ginebra. Mike Kagiwa, top of the key. Wala. Loose ball picked up by Parada. Ito si Celino Cruz. Hindi pa tapos ito. Cyrus Baguio. 12 seconds to go. 3-point shot. Wala. And Parada taps it out to Celino Cruz. Another 3-pointer. Kapos. Nakuha ni Parada. Parada. Oh! Loose ball. Look at Kagiwa and Yeng Yao. Yeng Kagiwa at the feet of Coach Yeng Yao of Red Bull. 1.6 seconds. Cyrus Baguio. Barangay Ginebra enters the finals of the 2008 SWAT Fiesta Conference, winning in overtime. Overtime, period po ang panalo ng Ginebra. And Chris Alexander right there getting the high fives from his teammates. Mike Kagiwa with a scintillating performance this evening as he promised. At, well, Red Bull goes out but with their heads held high dahil matindi po ang pinagdaanan nito ng Red Bull. Umabot pa sila sa semis. Dominic!
Thank you, Ed.